In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a YouTube video into a TikTok or Instagram Reels format using CapCut on your PC. This is a super useful editing trick if you want to repurpose long-form content into vertical short-form videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even YouTube Shorts. It can save you a lot of time and help you turn one video into multiple pieces of content for different platforms. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step videos like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut launches, look for the New Project button and click it. This will take you into a fresh editing workspace where you can start building your vertical video. Now you need to import the YouTube video that you want to convert. You can do this by dragging your video file into CapCut or by using the import option if that's easier for you. After your video is imported, drag it down to the timeline so you can start editing it. At this point, the project is still using the default layout, so the next step is to change the aspect ratio. Look at the toolbar above the preview window and click on Ratio. This is where CapCut lets you choose the format of your video. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you want to select 9:16. This is the vertical format that fills a phone screen and is perfect for short-form content. Once you select 9:16, you'll probably notice that your original YouTube video no longer fits the frame perfectly. That's completely normal because YouTube videos are usually horizontal while TikTok and Reels are vertical. Now click on the video in the timeline so it's selected. Then look at the preview window and drag the video around to reposition the subject inside the vertical frame. This is an important step because you want the main person, object, or action to stay visible after the format changes. If the video still feels too large or too small, you can resize it by dragging the corner handles in the preview window. This lets you manually adjust how much of the video appears inside the frame. You can also go to the video panel and adjust the scale value there if you want a more precise size adjustment. Take your time with this part because framing makes a big difference in how professional your final short video looks. If you need to, keep fine-tuning the position and scale until the subject is centered properly and the composition looks good for a vertical audience. The goal is to make the clip feel natural in 9:16 without cutting off important parts of the video. Once everything looks right, your YouTube video is now converted into a format that works much better for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts. And that's the basic process for converting a YouTube video to a vertical social media format in CapCut on PC. It's simple, fast, and really effective once you get used to it. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.